In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Gestures after scrolling down over here. Now tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using Keys navigation, scroll all the way down. Then click on this sweater next to one-handed mode shortcut. Following that, select Got It in the pop-up. Make sure that Pull Screen into Reach is on. And then to enter one-handed mode, tap on the shortcut. You can go back by selecting the same one, swiping up, or tapping on this white area. In order to disable it, select the same No Blue sweater. If you are using gestures though, I need to change my navigation to show you. You can use this sweater next to Use One-Handed mode instead. Then click on Pull Screen into Reach as well. And now you need to swipe down from the bottom of your screen. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on again. You can go back the same way and disable it by selecting this No Blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!